So my name is Bhattu Vijay Krishna, and in this video I will explain about the ZenMap tool, which is used for the network scanning. And it is a ZenMap is a multi-platform tool and free and open software also. So this is based on Nmap because Nmap is a terminal-based tool, and Nmap team is implemented this ZenMap for the better GUI purpose, and it is a graphical user interface for Nmap, and it is this tool makes easy for all users, all level of users who didn't even know how to execute the Nmap commands. And these tools, this Genmap tool is used by the many system administrator or ethical hackers for all kind of managing people. It will be used, and it, it leverages the technology of IP packets to get the knowledge of the host present in the network, and it will give the complete details of the network, like what are the host exists, what are the port they are using, and all those kinds of things. And Genmap uses Nmap for the background, and which will give the all the network details. So, and it is used for the GUI. Genmap uses Python GTK library. So in order to show the what are the, like for the GUI purpose, it is used Python GTK library. And I will show the after the installation part. You need to, like you need to be super user in order to run the Genmap. So this is the Genmap tool. For first of all, I will go through each and every option. After that, I will execute some commands, and see the hands-on session. So first of all, this is a scan. In this scan, there are these these options are available. Like if you want to click a new window, it will open the new Genmap tool. And open scan means, and the next one is open scan. In the open scan, we can open the already saved Genmap dump files, like .xml file. Genmap stores all the scanning output in XML format. After that, open scan in this window. So like in this window, we can open the already saved Genmap dump files, and save scan. It is useful for after the performing some scan. You can save the whole details of the scan in the Genmap dump file, which is .xml, and we can save multiple scans within the same directory. This is useful to save all scans into directory. And when it comes to tools option, we will have three, like comparing the result, and search the scan result, and filter the host. Comparing result means we can compare between the two scanned dump files for like with a, which is like for the same kind of scanning. Like if you want to scan localhost, we'll also scan localhost. So based on those comparison, it will result the scanned output from the both sides. And the next one is searching the scan result. In that scan result, we can I performed previously. These are the scan result, and we can search filter that scan result, also filter the host also possible in that particular scan result. And when it comes to profile, we will have two, like new profile or command, and edit selected profile. So in this new sort of profile editor, so we will choose different commands. Like in Nmap, we will have different options. So we can choose enabling the operating detection. I disabled it, so let me enable it. And version detection, ideal scan, and FTP, IPv6 support also. It will show the these details after the scanning particular URL or particular IP address or everything. And ping results, like what are the UDP, TCP, IPMP time request, how much time it will take, those kind of things it will show. After that is scripting, and these are the options for providing different features or different things which will include in the scanned output. And after that, like edit the selector profile. So after performing scan, we will show the, it will Genmap will show the output. In that output, it will show the what are the options we have selected, like enabling an operating system detection, those kind of things it will show. So before performing any kind of scanning, you can enable whatever the what are the option you want to show or see in the particular scan. So this is about the edit profile editor, and the next one is help, and you can like we can get any kind of help from this help. So let me start with hands-on session. So let me go with google.com. So this is a google.com. We want in the target we can search like anything we want, like either URL or either we don't know exactly what Google URL from this PC. So I typed URL only. So otherwise we can use particular IP address also, which is CIDR also, classes center domain network routing. So we will provide network fields, or we can provide IP address with like a regular expression also, like 192.168 one dot star. It will give all the IPs available. So let me perform the intent scan. Like so, profile is there are different scans are available, like intent scan, quick scan, ping scan, and quick trace route. These are the different type of scans possible, and we will go through it one by one. And the command option, in the command option, it is provided, it will provide automatically nmap form of the what particular scanning we are doing. So we are performing google.com with the intent scan. So T4 is a intent scan, and particular version is like google.com. We are provided this. So let me perform the scan. So in the scan, when it is started, like you can see that it uses in the background nmap. So particular this time, and it is initiating the scanning and complete the particular NSE and pinging at that time. So 142.250.195.36 is the IP address of the Google, but for this particular system it is, and it will show after the couple of seconds, like what is different options and different ports. We will see once the scan is completed, it will show all the ports in the nmap output. After the completion of the scanning, it will show what are all the details, and in ports it will show what are the ports available. In topology, like right now it is as localhost, so it is connected to like google.com, that's we are scanning right now. And the next one is host detail. It will show all the host details and IP address or IPv6, those kind of things. And scanning, in the scanning option, it will show whether the particular command, this command is right now running, or we can save. The status are different types of status are there. One is running, one is cancelled. Like as you can see, we can append a scan right here, or we can remove the scan, or we can cancel the scan. So right now it is completed. The scanning is completed for this google.com. So as you can see here, it will provide all the details throughout this scanning, what happened, like as you can see, get request from the HTTP, those kind of things. As you can see in the ports, it used TCP protocols, which is port 80 is for HTTP. For HTTPS, it is used for 43 port, and state is open, like scanning is performed right now. So that is why the state is open or closed, those kind of things. When we close this particular scan, on the topology, as you can see that from this IP address, I access this google.com. And in the host detail option, we can see the IPv4 address and IPv6 not available, and the host name and this MAC address, and the operating system it is used right now. I installed on VirtualBox. So TCP sequence number, it will give all those kind of details, and IP details, TCP sequence numbers, and those kind of things. And in the scan, like I explained like this, like in the couple of seconds back. And these are the hosts, like I performed only particular Google only, and the services, like it is used for HTTP and HTTPS. So let me like one more thing, another thing like reddit.com. So let me perform like ping scan. So as you can see here in the command also it is changed. For reddit.com it is a ping command. For this ping scanning, we it is used -sn. So let me perform the ping scan. So it is started right now and it is also done. The IP address of it will take 0.23 seconds. And what are the ports? This is topology. As you can see that from the local host it is connected to Reddit. So it will give it is given this report. And Reddit uses the 192.232.45.140. That IP address is presently using for this PC, and particular IP address as you can see, and the host names Reddit. And the scans is unsaved. As you can see, like we can save this scan like I have explained. So this is the way you can save the scan. Like I have already mentioned, like for this GenMap, the dump files output scanned result will be stored in XML file. Like it is Google. I saved it as Google. Uh, for the Reddit also we can use the same way. So let me perform for www.geeksforgeeks.com. So let me perform. I performed a quick scan and ping scan and intent scan. So let me perform regular scan. So as you can see here, command will change. For the regular scan, nmap space the URL of the particular site or particular thing you want to search, or you want to get the scanned result from there. So this is the way you can do it. It is started with the nmap only because genmap uses in the background nmap only. For the GUI, it is uses a Python GTK library in order to show this GUI. So as you can see here, so it is performed, and it uses both TCP protocols with the uh, port like HTTP and HTTPS. So in the service bar, you can see that all the services are like for all these three scans, it uses HTTP and HTTPS only. So from this Geeks for Geeks, so as you can see here, so in port numbers and the topology, as you can see here, from the local host, it first we performed like for the google.com. After that we performed for Reddit. After that we performed for Geeks for Geeks. So these are the details for the Geeks for Geeks. So Geeks for Geeks, it is using a particular IP address, and the host name is this, and scans. So I saved google.com and I didn't save these three scanned results. So and we can perform for any host 160.com. So let me perform ping scan. So yeah, you can use URL also, like IP address in the URL. In target option, we can use IP address, or you can use URL, or you can use your IP address with the regular expression form. So anything is okay with it, and it will take it will start scanning the particular local host address. And from this to, so it is performing right now. So let me no, this tool we can compare result like already performed, already saved scan result will be open here. So Google, and we can also recently it is done. So we can perform the scanning in with the comparison also. So the this is the way you can use it GenMap library very easily, and it is very useful tool for network administrators and all the people who want to like scan the whole network, what they are using, or what they want. So as you can see here, it is performed a ping scan for this particular network. There are 255 like I have mentioned the network ID 24. So host will be 8 address, last 8, which will be 256 from 0 to 255. So these are the IP address available, and as you can see here, it shows the every particular IP address, how much host will take the latency in the milliseconds only, and in the ports it is used the same things. And so as you can see here, it is 255 IP address. And in the coming in the back, like we performed only three for Google, Reddit, and Geeks for Geeks. And after that, we performed in our topology. There are 255 nodes are added for this. Each IP address it is added one more one more node in the particular topology. So this is about the GenMap tool, and which is useful for network scanning, which uses the Nmap in the background in order to perform the whole network scanning. And it is GenMap is available in all operating systems, whether it is Linux or everything. So thank you.